Good morning and welcome to you all, my dear friends. In the search for multi-bagger potential candidates, I have exhausted all of my portfolio candidates, and now we are going to see outside of that. One of the companies which attracted my attention is KPI Green Energy Limited for various reasons. So that is in capital goods industry, industrial equipments. Current market price is around 824. 52-week high is 1118. Volumes are good, which means you can buy and sell easily. Management is headed by Farooq G. Patel, promoter, chairman and managing director, and Mohammed Sohil Y. Daboya is the whole-time director. So first we will take a look at the Q2 results. Net sales are 360 crores in September 24, that is Q2. In Q1 it was 348 crores, and in Q2 of last year it was 215 crores. So which means there was a year-on-year growth in net sales of 67.2%. From 215 crores to 359 crores, the jump is 67.2 crores. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, there is a 3.35 jump only. Raw material constitutes about half. Net profit is 69.83 crores in Q2, 66.11 crores in Q1, and 34.75 crores in same quarter last year, that is Q2 of FY24. In Q2 of FY25, it is 69.83%, which is 101% growth in net profit. So, both sales and profits are growing very sumptuously, reasonably. Now, quarter-on-quarter growth is not that great because the previous quarter growth also was good. Quarter-on-quarter growth in net profit is 5.63% only. Equity is 65.63 crores. Basic EPS is 5.55 rupees. But the EPS has come down by 42% year on year and 49% quarter on quarter. Now the technicals are bullish trend only. It's a medium type of company, mid-range performer. Financial performance also is average, but future promises to be very good. MACD crossover above signal line. Good quarterly growth in the recent results, that is Q2 results are very, very good. Growth in net profit and increase in net profit margin, both are very good. Quarterly net profit with increasing net profit margin quarter on quarter and year on year both. Company is reducing debt. The focus of the company is to reduce the debt. Revenue has been increasing in the last 2 quarters. Profits have been increasing in the last 2 quarters. Company is able to generate net cash. Annual net profits are improving in the last 2 years. But promoters are decreasing their shareholding to a certain extent. Costs are growing because of long-term projects. So that means projects are there. So future is assured. But currently costs are growing. Promoters have decreased by more than minus 2% quarter on quarter. Price earning is high, more than 40%. Promoters pledge is also rather high, though debt is coming down. Promoters pledge is there. FIIs are increasing their shareholding, but mutual funds are decreasing their shareholding. Face value is rupees 5. Now, if you look at the price chart, price curve, it is trending downwards from August. Promoters are slowly trying to unpledge their existing pledge. The total pledge stands at 45.5% of the promoters' holdings, which is very high. Promoters have decreased their holdings from 53.09 to 48.77% in September quarter. So holdings have come down, pledge also is slowly coming down. Mutual funds have decreased their holding FIs have increased their holding, institutional investors have increased their holding. Now, price performance, if you see, 1 week it has gone up by 3.86%, 1 month it has gone up by 3.59%, for 3 months it has come down by 4.66%. In 1 year it has gone up by 66.73%, in 3 years it has gone up by a huge 1428%, which means it was a multi-bagger, not in even 1 year, but in 3 years. Recently, it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Rajasthan for the development of hybrid solar and power projects at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. So, the government of Rajasthan would facilitate the organization or the company, that is KPI Green Energy, to obtain the necessary permissions, clearances, etc. from the concerned departments of the state. There is a CEIG. So, from him, the approval will be got for generation of 28.28 megawatts of solar power projects. Chief Electrical Inspector General, CEIG, Rajasthan. Now, KPIG has also won an order for setting up 300 megawatts AC, MWAC solar project. So, like that, it is getting so many orders. KPIG expects a top line growth of 60 to 70% for FY25. That's a very important thing. So, its expectations are high. Whether it will materialize or not, that we don't know. It has got a very strong order book and ongoing projects. Profit after tax margin is of 16 to 18% with potential for improvement further. So, management ultimately in the next few years, by maybe 6 years, it wants to execute a cumulative 10,000 megawatts of power projects. So, the future expectation is good from the management. So, KPI even now it is producing very good results. But the future appears to be even better. That is expectation of the company management. We really don't know whether they will really achieve it. But this is one company which we need to keep our eyes on. That's all that I can say at present. So, a multi-bagger potential, but whether it will actually materialize, we will see by next year end, 2025 end. Let us see. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another good company.